mas nauna na prioritize paano ba pagkakitaan yung reserve fund na meron siya kaysa tiyakin yung benefits para dun sa mga kababayan natin. Na parang baligtad, Mr. Chair, di ba? Supposedly sinet up yung PhilHealth para tiyakin yung kalusugan ng mga kababayan natin. Tapos kung meron siyang sobrang pera, yun yung gamitin niya, pwedeng, halimbawa, may invest siya, tas tingnan niya saan siya pwedeng mas kumita. Ganun sana ang priorities, Mr. Chair. Pero in the past years talaga, kabaligtaran po yung nangyari. And in fact, even COA cited this sa kanyang mga naging audit reports sa PhilHealth. So with that, Mr. Chair, so to wrap up in my interpellation,
Mr. Chair.
Yes, before I recognize you, gusto ko lang maunawaan yung point ni Congressman Raul Manuel. So ang punto po ninyo, parang mas prioritize yung investment kaysa sa pagtulong sa healthcare.
ganun
Tama
yung,
po ba?
ganun yung
po ba yung
lumalabas,
punto
Mr.
ninyo?
Chair. Based mismo dun
Which is kasi
sa...
ang mandate ng PhilHealth is yung healthcare ang dapat na tinitignan. Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Based on the financial standing at kinaka-proud
Okay.
po yun ng
So
PhilHealth.
would you
Pero
like
yun
to
pala yung
respond to
lumalabas.
that, Mr. Ledesma?
Yes, Mr. Chair, please. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair, and we appreciate and duly noted on your comment. No, we will look closely into it. No, naintindihan po namin yung magandang comment po, Mr. Chair. No, we will look closely into it. In line with that, I just want to highlight, Mr. Chair. No, so the COA opinion, yung COA opinion po ng PhilHealth na lumabas noong 2023. Alam nyo po, it's the first time. I don't even think we can remember when PhilHealth ever received ang opinion, ang binigay namin kasing opinion, it was a qualified opinion, Mr. Chair, no. And historically, either adverse or disclaimer. It was the first year this year, Mr. Chair, in 2023, I'm sorry, that we received a qualified opinion. I think, Mr. Chair, that's a testament to na talagang moving forward po ang PhilHealth, no? Malaking improvement sa amin yon, no? But again, duly noted, and thank you, Mr. Chair. I think it's a very interesting comment and opinion, no? We will, I personally will look closely into it and review. We may have to change our policy, no? Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
Okay.